passion for the environment and mostly for the wildlife, to learn more about conservation and the planet.
Environmental protection in Japan and environmental protection in Kenya.
I joined this program as a member of our social practice team, which focuses on sustainable development goals.
Maybe we brings our ideas together.
I think important for us to build a community with a shared future for mankind.
I believe we can still do a great deal for our world by embracing sustainable development practices. This includes investing in renewable energy sources to combat climate change, promoting responsible consumption and production patterns, and so on.
Different parts of the world face different challenges, yet working towards the same SDGs makes us better together.
Es ist sehr wichtig für mich und wir müssen die Planet und Umwelt unbedingt aufpassen.
The world matters to me.
世界与我有关。